Hey guys, welcome to Popin Cookin ASMR style. So in today's video, I wanted to do a really fun video to celebrate 7 months on YouTube. I was about to say 7 years. I'm not like that old. So today I'm going to be making this super duper fun Popin Cookin kit, and I'm going to be making some ice cream with it. And also welcome to all the new people and welcome back to everybody who's already watched some of my videos. And in today's video, we're going to be making ice cream, which is super fun. And I'm going to be doing this for celebrating 7 months. So thank you for watching and everybody who has been sticking around, and even if you're new. And first of all, I want to clear this out that the water and the scissors are only things you need, which is really, really amazing because you don't need to microwave this or anything, which is really fun. So yeah. So now I'm going to make this kit, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things and what I think about the packaging. So everything comes in this foil baggie, and I will give it a 10 out of 10 for packaging. It's really cute, and the tray contains a pink strawberry ice cream mix. You get sprinkles, you get a vanilla ice cream mix, you get piping bag, you get a really cute little pink spoon, you get some wafers or wafers. Are they called wafers? Yes. Wafers, you get a little tart, you get 2 cones, and this tray where you can mix all your ingredients together, and there are also holes where you can put your ice cream cones after. Can't talk. After you're done. This is all that comes in the little kit. It is super cute. I love the packaging and everything. Also, yeah, this smells really good. So I opened up the packaging, and the pink one smells like strawberry, and the white one smells like vanilla coconutty little mixture. It smells really good. So now you can put the powder into your little tray, and you're supposed to put 1 scoop of water into each one of the bowls. Cavities. And I'm going to mix this together, and then you're supposed to put this in the piping baggie. Okay, can't talk, honestly. Also, I want to give a shout out to everybody who is new or old. If you want a shout out, then comment down below, #KawaiiUnicornSquad. And I'm just going to put this all in the ice cream little piping baggie, cut up the tip, and now I'm going to decorate all of these, and I'm going to be doing a little taste test at the end. Love you guys. See you at the end. A little fun tip, actually, this is super not easy. Yeah, clearly not easy to do it in the little hole. You're supposed to put it on your hand. Put it in your hand and then pipe it on. It's much easier. And now you're just going to do the wafers. You could have done 2 of them, 2 of the little wafer stacks, but I decided to put the other ones on top of my ice creams and decorate them. So keep on enjoying now. Okay, a little side note, me from the future, yes. This was not very easy to voice over because I am not a very good Popin Cookin person. So, yeah, sorry about that. I want to take a minute to tell you guys that there was not enough mixture to put everything. You had to scoop it out of the tray and everything to get all of it covered. Now I'm just going to put sprinkles on it, and let's move on to the taste test, the most exciting part. So a little thingy I want to tell you guys is that it does not feel like ice cream. It doesn't feel really thin, but it also does not feel like ice cream. It feels kind of like buttercream frosting, but a little thicker and sweeter and thinner than that. A little more luscious than that. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. So I really recommend this kit overall. It's a really good kit. I honestly liked it a lot, and I would give it a 10 out of 10. Let's taste it. I'm pretty sure it's going to taste kind of like the other Popin Cookins. It's not super sweet, hopefully. Also, a little side note, which videos would you like to see now? Comment down below. I will be super happy to do them for you guys. So right now I'm just putting on sprinkles on all of them. And I'm also going to put these little waffle cone thingies on top of them, like little decorations. Ta-da! So this is how they turned out. I think they're absolutely adorable. They turned out really cute. I think they turned out like the box. And also the little M&Ms I put on are mine. They did not come in the box, just saying. They're really cute though, and you can also put these in the freezer. I have done this before, and this tastes really good. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share.